Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase volume on iPhone. Make your iPhone louder with these tricks. First thing what you need to do is open your control center, and here you will see sound effect, and just up the sound effect, just hold finger, show you how is this. As you can see, make on maximum volume. Next step, on your screen find settings and go to settings. On settings menu scroll down, and here select sounds and haptics. And first in haptics you should change ringer and alerts. Just make sure that slider is enabled on maximum volume. Next step, on sounds and haptics select headphone safety and disable reduce loud sounds. Just disable it. Next step, go back to settings. When you open settings, scroll down and find music. Here select music. Now we should tap on EQ and scroll to top, and here you will see off. Just select off. And now again open control center and again increase volume of this option on your control center to maximum volume. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.